Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I do an intro. So first I'm going to start off by going to PicsArt and yeah, so I choose a colored background just so I can have a colored background. It's pretty self-explanatory, but this is just me showing you how to customize color. But I chose this color. I already chose this color before for my intro, so I just saved that to my phone. Yeah, so after I save that picture, I go to iMovie and create a new project, and I use that picture to create a video. So I extend the video to at least 10 seconds at the least, and I save that to my phone. So after I create that video, I go to PocketVideo and start a new project. I choose the YouTube vlog, and then I insert the video that I created in iMovie into this project. And after I do that, I choose add video sticker and click on YouTube, and I typed in green screen liquid animation, but I use that just because it can like mask, I can mask it out at the end so it can be a pink. So I chose that one and I edited it just so I won't have the words of someone else's in there. Choose like the perfect size, the perfect fit for my video. Now I extend the green screen animation and mask it out. So I click on mask and I choose green screen just to mask it out so there won't be no more green color, just all pink. Now it's time to add the text. So the text I'm using is like, you can choose any text you want, but I chose this text that has like this little, it has its own animation effect to it. So after I choose that, I go in and type in my text. I just type in YourSizeDoll. I just type in my name. Okay, so after the text is chosen, I go and play with the colors. For some reason, I thought that I used black in my intro, but I don't know why I thought that. I used pink in the intro that you see in the intro of this video. Oh my God, can somebody comment how many times I say intro in this intro making video? But yeah, so I chose black color, and I go in and choose which text I want to use, like the font, the text font. And I chose this text font. Yeah, it's pretty much like you can see exactly what I'm doing. It's like, it's super, super easy. So after that, I just watch the video to make sure it's exactly what I want, because I just don't feel like doing nothing else. Like, make sure this is what I want. I save the video, and when I save it, it's just asking me if I want to add music, and I clicked on no. So once I save this video, then I go back to iMovie and create a new project. I basically just click the video that I created from PocketVideo to create this project, and I just want y'all to know, FYI, I suck at voice recorders. I mean, voiceovers. I really suck at voiceovers, but I'm just looking at the video because I want to like split it where the white is, just so it can, like, when the words that I'm about to add come in, it come in off color. So I'm gonna split that, add a text. The text that I'm using is like, it's just a plain basic text. I put it to the lower. I put it lower. Oh my God, y'all, I really suck at voiceovers. But anyways, I put it lower, and I just add the text I want to use. I'm just adding beauty and lifestyle because that's what my channel is basically about, beauty and lifestyle. After I add the text, I just go back and watch the video just to make sure the text is exactly where I want it to be. and there it is right there when the paint comes. So I split the video just so I can have the white to be like the end of the video. So like there's white, nothing else but white. So I'm going back in and watching the video again. I'm just making sure that the visual is there before I add the audio. And for the audio, I'm adding the intro to Bound, Kanye West song. And yeah, I really like the song, so I think it'll go perfect with my intro. But I listened to it again just to make sure the song matches the whole intro. Oh my god, like I really suck at voiceovers, like oh my. But yeah, so I trimmed this not trim, I fade out the song just so it can have some type of gradient effect into my videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on my next video.